Hi there, students. Hard put or hard pressed. Okay, this means that you think something's going to be very difficult to do. So I'm going to be hard put to finish this work on time. I'm going to be hard pressed to find enough money to pay this month's rent. Okay, so to be hard put to do something, to be hard put or to be hard pressed to do something, yeah, particularly in the future, yeah, you'll be hard pressed to get her to come out on a date with you. Okay, it's going to be very difficult to do. I'm hard put to get this done on time. I'm going to be very hard put to arrive on time because of all of this traffic. So you're saying you're struggling to do something. You're struggling to accomplish something. It's not easy. And this is because it seems impossible. This is particularly common with when there's not enough time or enough money. Yeah. The hospital was hard pressed to deal with all of the COVID patients because of the cutbacks. The school was hard pressed to provide sufficient services for special needs pupils. Yeah, most people would be hard pressed to pay a bill like that. So find it difficult to do. Yeah, have a lot of difficulties in doing something. Okay, and this is the idea of to be hard put to do something. Yeah, I'm hard put to understand the explanation that you've given. Okay, notice hard put and hard pressed. Both of these are adjectives and talk about a situation that's difficult to resolve. It's just not easy. Yeah. How many videos are in your channel? Woof, I'd be hard put to tell you exactly how many there are. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. Subscribe to my channel. Ooh, formality, to be hard put to do something. Ooh, I give it a 4 in formality. Use it in a semi-formal conversation or an informal conversation. I'm not sure I would use it in a semi-formal writing. Yeah, saved just in time. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hard put to do something. Hard pressed to do something.